Hi, welcome to Thuong Nguyen Woodworking machine. I'm Daniel, and here with me is a 4-side planer machine. So I have this workpiece right here, a block of wood, and all 4 sides of it are very rough. So I want it to be smooth on all 4. I put this into this machine. That's what this machine does. And for this unit, this is a very advanced machine. With this unit, we will have 6 different working spindle. 6 different working spindle. Okay, let's take a look at the control panel. Okay, so let's take a look at the control panel. Since this is an advanced machine, so to operate it is very simple and automatic. First, we'll have this panel right here. This panel we can control. We're going to control the conveyor, the in-feed roller, to let the machine take in the workpiece and put out the workpiece. In here we can switch the working mode of the machine. We can let it either be manually operated or it can be automatically operated. We can also turn on the light of the interior, control the roller, and etc. On the bottom panel, we can turn on and off the working spindle. There are 6 spindles, so we're going to control 6 of them. On the other side, we can adjust the positions of the working spindle. We can make it adjust its height, go up and down, or we can make it go forward or backward. Alright, with that all being said, let's see how this machine functions in real time. Alright, so that's it for this machine. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. If you have any questions about woodworking machines or woodworking related stuff, please contact us and we will give you more information for free. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye bye.